Hi everybody and welcome back to Made Up in May. I'm using the Be Perfect Stacy Carnival palette and I'm going in with Lit, which is the orange, and a Kit Stars N30 brush, and I'm going to buff that all into my crease in a rounded shape, as you can see what I'm doing. Then back into the palette. This is the only palette I'm really using. I'm going to go into the shade Keen, which is a yellow shade. And using a Stacy, I think it's called a mini fluffy blender. I'm going to use that to buff the yellow up, but it practically buffs itself, as you can see. And then I go back in with the orange. Now I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape and I'm doing a half cut crease. I've kept so much of this footage in to kind of show you that I'd sort of made my shape a bit funny and it's more correct in it. And then I'm going to buff it out. Back into Stacy, and I take Pink Me, which is the shimmer shade, and Foolish, which is like the peachy shade. I take Pink Me first on the inner corner, but I don't really rate the foils in this palette, the shimmers, so I go in with more Foolish, to be honest. But it's just so it's a bit lighter in the inner corner. And then I take the orange just to buff out the edge. And then I'm going to take this Gold Gel Glitter by Wispy Winks and I'm going to do a line where I've cut the crease. I really rate these. They are such fabulous to use, and I do show you a little bit where I sort of push the glitter in here just to straighten the line. Then I'm going to take the NYX Slide On pencil. This is the bronze one because I couldn't find my gold, but I do go over the top of it with the Saint highlight just to make it more peachy pink. Then I go in with orange under my lower lashes and buff that out with the yellow. Same colours I used at the top, and then just buff it out with the everything merges, and then just get a clean blender just to make sure it's all blended out. Then in my inner corner I go in with Saint, the peachy pink highlight, with a bit of Moody on top, but I didn't like it, so I end up going in with Mary Luminizer by the Balm. A bit of mascara, a bit of brow gel. This is the NYX brow gel, by the way. And then I go in with some lashes. These are Certified Enchanting lashes. And that is the finished look. I love this. I think it's ever so pretty. Let me know what you think. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow for another Made Up in May. Love you. Bye.